Moscow is grappling with the aftermath of a powerful snowstorm that swept through the European part of Russia, bringing significant snowfall and disrupting daily life. Footage from Wednesday shows municipal trucks unloading vast amounts of snow into large piles in the northeastern districts of the capital, as residents and authorities work to keep the city moving. Local resident Dmitry described the scene as classic winter: snowdrifts, children playing, and people enjoying the season, while acknowledging that slushy streets present their own challenges. Meanwhile, Moscow's municipal services confirmed that streets, sidewalks, and public courtyards are being cleared continuously. According to a statement from the city's press service, citing Deputy Mayor Pyotr Biryukov, teams are performing mechanized sweeping and anti-icing treatment in line with regulations, repeating these cycles around the clock to maintain safety and accessibility throughout the capital. The Russian Hydrometeorological Center has warned that heavy snow will continue across Moscow throughout January 29, with daytime temperatures ranging from -7 to -11 degrees Celsius. Residents are advised to exercise caution while traveling, as road conditions remain hazardous. Looking ahead, forecasters say that precipitation will gradually ease on January 30th, but temperatures will drop further, reaching as low as -16 degrees Celsius. Authorities continue to monitor the situation closely, preparing for any additional snowfall and ensuring that emergency services are ready to respond. As Moscow works tirelessly to restore normalcy, the city's residents and municipal workers alike are reminded that winter weather can be both beautiful and challenging, requiring patience, preparedness, and coordinated effort. Local officials urge motorists and pedestrians to stay alert, adjust travel plans where necessary, and follow guidance from city authorities until the weather fully improves.